Introducing LaserPecker LP2 PLUS. With this powerful 10-watt diode laser, you can effortlessly cut through 6mm wood in one pass. The upgraded Galvo system delivers blistering 4,000 millimeters per second engraving. Go from concept to creation in seconds. Forget the hassle of ruler measurements. Our innovative dual red dot focus technology ensures pinpoint accuracy every time. Field lenses are added to achieve finer lines, sharper curves, and flawless details. Preview your design in real time on your workpiece, ensuring every detail is engraved perfectly. The LP2 PLUS supports over 100 materials, powering profitable projects and effortlessly handling custom orders. The upgraded L-shaped positioner locks materials instantly. Pair it with the one-touch batch engraving button for a hassle-free load, clamp, and laser process on repetitive jobs. Using the cylinder mode of the versatile electric roller, you can unlock a rotary setup for engraving round-shaped objects. Expand your creativity with slab mode for larger flat surfaces.
Can it be bigger?
Flip it over and it becomes a smart trolley, engraving extra-long materials up to 2 meters with automated precision. Find endless inspirations for your next project in our design community, Craft Zone. Effortlessly batch engrave creations with the slide extension, transforming your creativity into a scalable business. Extend the slide for longer works, unlock a wider engraving area and new creative possibilities. With the rotary extension, choose specialized holders for bottles, tumblers, balls, or even rings, unlocking creative possibilities and precision on curved surfaces. Enjoy enhanced smoke ventilation and an air purifier to keep your workspace clean and breathable. Safety built in. Engraving pauses automatically when the front door opens, ensuring total protection at all times. Create personalized gifts that truly speak from the heart and leave a lasting impression every time. Hold your engraver freely and create on any surface at any angle. Pack it in your bag and start your journey of instant inspiration. Your ultimate creative upgrade starts here with the LaserPecker LP2 PLUS.